Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into 7 remarkable herbs and spices that can transform your health in ways you might not expect. These natural powerhouses are more than just flavor enhancers. They're packed with health benefits that can boost your immunity, improve digestion, and enhance overall well-being. Whether you're looking to spice up your meals or find natural remedies for common ailments, you'll want to stay tuned. Let's explore how these herbs and spices can revolutionize your health. Herb/Spice 1. Turmeric. First on our list is turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color and incredible health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in many serious diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps manage and potentially prevent these conditions. Research has also shown that curcumin may enhance cognitive function by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This can support memory and learning and might even offer protection against neurodegenerative diseases. For maximum benefit, consume turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%. Try adding turmeric to curries, soups, or rice dishes. You can also make a health-boosting golden milk by mixing turmeric with warm milk, honey, and a pinch of black pepper. This soothing drink not only supports your health but is also a comforting way to end your day. Herb/Spice 2. Ginger. Next up is ginger, a root with a long history of medicinal use. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, provides strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. This makes ginger a fantastic remedy for nausea, whether it's due to motion sickness, morning sickness, or chemotherapy. It also aids digestion by increasing digestive enzymes and improving gastric motility, which helps prevent bloating and indigestion. Moreover, ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. For those with arthritis, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and stiffness. Incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to smoothies, stir-fries, and teas. You can also make fresh ginger tea by steeping sliced ginger in boiling water for a few minutes. For a more potent health boost, consider making ginger shots, concentrated doses of ginger juice that can give your immune system a powerful kick. Ginger can also be used in baking, marinades, and as a natural sweetener for a variety of dishes. Herb/Spice 3. Garlic. Garlic is a kitchen staple with impressive health benefits. The compound allicin in garlic is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. This makes garlic an excellent choice for boosting your immune system and combating infections. Regular consumption of garlic can help reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. Garlic is also beneficial for heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent arterial plaque buildup, which lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Garlic's compounds also have antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from damage. For the most benefits, consume garlic raw or lightly cooked, as high temperatures can diminish its beneficial compounds. Add garlic to soups, stews, and sauces, or roast it for a milder flavor. Garlic supplements are available if you prefer a more concentrated form of this herb. Incorporating garlic into your diet regularly can lead to significant health improvements over time. Herb/Spice 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a delightful spice for your baked goods. It's packed with health benefits thanks to the compound cinnamaldehyde, which has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar spikes after meals. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. In addition to its blood sugar benefits, cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections and support gut health. It's also been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. To enjoy the benefits of cinnamon, sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or fruit. You can also add it to your coffee, smoothies, or baked goods. For a comforting drink, try cinnamon tea, which can be made by steeping cinnamon sticks in hot water. Cinnamon is also a great addition to savory dishes and marinades for a touch of warmth and flavor. Herb/Spice 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb with a variety of health benefits. It contains antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which help protect your body from oxidative stress and support overall health. Rosemary also aids digestion by stimulating bile production, which can help alleviate bloating and indigestion. The aroma of rosemary has cognitive benefits as well. It has been shown to improve memory and concentration, making it a great herb to use when you need to stay focused. Rosemary can also be beneficial for hair health, as its stimulating properties can improve circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. Incorporate rosemary into your meals by adding it to roasted meats, vegetables, or pieces of bread. Fresh rosemary can also be used to make herbal teas or as a fragrant addition to marinades. For relaxation, try using rosemary essential oil in an aromatherapy diffuser or apply it topically, diluted with a carrier oil, to relieve stress and muscle tension. Herb/spice 6. Peppermint. Peppermint is not just a refreshing flavor, it's an herb with impressive health benefits. The active compound menthol in peppermint provides a cooling sensation that can help relieve digestive discomfort, such as nausea, gas, and bloating. Peppermint tea is a popular remedy for soothing an upset stomach and improving overall digestive health. Peppermint also has benefits for respiratory health. It can help clear congestion and ease symptoms of respiratory infections. Additionally, peppermint oil can be used topically to relieve headaches and muscle pain. Its calming effects make it a great addition to your wellness routine. Enjoy peppermint by sipping on peppermint tea or adding fresh mint leaves to your water, salads, or desserts. Peppermint oil can be used in a diffuser for its relaxing aroma or applied topically, diluted with a carrier oil, to relieve headaches and sore muscles. For a refreshing and digestive-friendly treat, try making peppermint-infused ice cubes to add to your beverages. Herb/spice 7. Basil. Finally, basil is an herb with numerous health benefits. It's rich in essential oils like eugenol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These benefits help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Basil is also known for its ability to improve digestion and combat harmful bacteria in the gut. Historically, basil has been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory conditions, including asthma and coughs. Its aromatic properties can also provide a soothing effect on the respiratory system. To enjoy basil, add fresh basil leaves to salads, use them in pesto, or sprinkle them over soups and pasta dishes. Basil can also be used to make a fragrant herbal tea or added to smoothies for a fresh flavor. Basil essential oil can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and enhance mental clarity. For culinary uses, try growing your basil at home for a fresh and convenient supply. And that wraps up our exploration of 7 transformative herbs and spices. These natural ingredients offer incredible health benefits, from reducing inflammation to improving digestion and enhancing mental clarity. Incorporating these into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with friends who could benefit from these amazing herbs and spices. Let us know in the comments which herb or spice you're excited to try and how it's made a difference in your life. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more flavorful you.